You requested, and I listened. What's up? We're back for another meal prep video today. I swear this is like the #1 requested video on my channel every single month. I'm so happy that you guys have been happy with the previous meal prep videos that I put up. If you're finding me through this video, I'm Jordan. Thank you so much for watching. I know a lot of you have expressed your concern of not having like super long drawn out intros, so I will make this very quick. I just wanted to come on and say hi and thank you guys for watching the video. And I also have some information regarding how you can get some free products of some of the food that I'm gonna be showing in today's video. Today I'm gonna show you like 3 or 4 meals that are staple meals in my household. I do also have a son who just turned 4, so he also enjoys a lot of this food as well. A lot of the ingredients I'm going to be using today are from Thrive Market. So I did team up with them on my last meal prep video. A lot of you actually commented that you actually knew about their website before I did. I only found out about it like 2.5 months ago. And since then, I've been ordering my own groceries through there. You guys, I'm telling you, the value of their site is legit. It's amazing. Look it up for yourself, like it's so great. It's pretty much like an online Costco, but way better. So you pay your membership fee for the year and then you get to shop on there. All the food and any like cooking ingredients that you need are so cheap. They're at like wholesale pricing. But on my meal prep videos, you guys can try out their website for an entire month for free and you can get a free product. So last month I showed the Justin's almond butter, which was usually like 15 bucks. And just for watching my video, you guys could snag that for free. Same thing in this video. So I will leave the link down below. Just click there. You actually have a choice of 5 different products this time, not just the almond butter. So you can choose whichever product you want to get for free and the entire month to their site. And they are very budget friendly and they fall right in line with my meal prep videos. So I'm really happy that they offered after that last video to do that again for you guys. So you have a choice out of 5 products to get whatever you want. And I'm also gonna link you guys to a favorites page of some of the stuff I've been ordering like the past month and a half that I've been loving. So if you're new to this site and you don't know what to order, those are some of my like staple favorite products that my son and I have been loving. So you guys know I always got you covered. Give this video a thumbs up if you like meal prep videos. Please subscribe here to my channel and let's just get started. First meal that we're doing is gonna be a cheesy mushroom, like garlic Italian pasta, which turned out so amazing. I'm definitely gonna keep on making this like weekly for myself and my son. I was just showing you right here, you're gonna need a very minimal amount of ingredients. All you're gonna do is boil 2 cups of water or however much you would need for your family size. I'm taking this farfalle bow tie pasta, which is from the Thrive website as well, and this red tomato basil pasta sauce, which is also from the Thrive site. I really ended up liking the flavor of that one. Taking a little bit of basil and some chopped up white baby bella mushrooms. Once the pasta is fully cooked, you're just gonna add in your sauce, and then you're gonna add in the chopped up basil, however much you like, and the chopped up mushrooms. You wanna add these in at the very end so they do not burn, and then you leave the pot on the stove just for like another minute, and then it's done. Like it's literally that easy. You just boil pasta, add in whatever additional ingredients you want at the very end, and then my son did want to add in some cheese, so I put a little bit there in at the very end and mixed it all up. The cheese was like so gooey. The flavor of all this together, you guys, was so great. I can't believe I had never like tried this before. Like, can we just take a minute? Yes. Christian actually loved this, which is great because I killed 2 birds in 1 stone. I just ended up making 4 portions. We ate 2 of them that night, and then I meal prepped out these other 2, just putting them in the containers per usual. Feel free to use whatever containers you have. So moving on to the second meal, Atlantic salmon and roasted veggies, which I cook all the time because it's very quick and easy and I know it's extremely healthy and it has helped me to lose weight in the past. Whenever I started out on my journey last year, I meal prepped this all the time and was able to really slim down. So I'm just taking 2 cookie sheets or trays here and putting all the veggies on there with whatever seasonings or herbs that you would like. I did some broccoli, carrots, and then I have cauliflower right here. I also have these shaved Brussels sprouts, which if you see my videos, I use all the time. I love the taste. I use a tiny bit of the Can't Believe It's Not Butter spray because there is no calories. And then I put some of this garlic seasoning on top. This is from Flavor God. So I'm literally just putting all the veggies into the oven at 350 for 15 minutes. And then right here, I'm just taking out the Atlantic salmon. I was trying to show you guys the label of what kind I got. These pieces were pretty big, so I ended up using or having like about 4 portions instead of 3 because these just turned out to be huge. And then I ended up just moving them over to the other side of the pan so I could cook the remainder of the veggies at the same time. It looks kind of messy on there, but it all works out to cook evenly and it just makes it so much easier so you can meal prep 2 different trays at the same time. So everything goes in the oven for 15 minutes and you're done. Super easy. Just use any meal prep containers that you have. The Thrive Market website also does sell some for pretty affordable, so I'll leave those on my favorites page linked down below for you as well. All I'm doing is just portioning out how much food I would eat per meal. And yeah, just putting the veggies with the salmon and we're good to go. So meal number 3, I'm just doing some easy breakfast vegetable egg cups. So for the ingredients, you're gonna need some baby spinach. I also use a tiny bit of these bell peppers, green and yellow, some egg whites, also some whole eggs if you would like. It's totally up to you. Cheese is also optional. I ended up putting cheese just on 2 of them for my son and he really enjoyed them. So all you're gonna do is cut the bell peppers and also the little baby cherry tomatoes super small, because we're gonna be using a cupcake tin. So each little circular cup is very tiny, so you wanna chop these up very, like, as small as possible. After this clip, I actually chopped them up even smaller. So I put some egg whites in my bowl and I mixed in 2 whole eggs. You can do 100% egg whites if you're really trying to lean out, or you can do all full eggs, whatever is good for you. I just did a mixture of both and it tasted really good. So before I poured in any of the mixture, I set some veggies on the bottom for a base. This turned out really well. And then this is just so easy, you guys. All you're gonna do is pour it in. Be very careful because these will rise when you bake them. You don't want them to go too far over the top and be like spilling out everywhere. For my mixture right here in the very last one, I only had a tiny bit left. So I was like debating right there what to do. So I put it in and then I took a spoon in the other ones that I filled up too much and I kind of just like measured it right there to make them all even. And then you want to cook these as well at 350 for 15 to 17 minutes. And then also too, before I popped them in the oven, I was putting some of the baby spinach on top. This is optional again, but I just personally like spinach. It's a really easy way to get your micronutrients in. And then I put some of that same garlic lover seasoning on top. This just gave it a really good overall flavor. Once they were done cooking, I could really tell that the herbs were like seeped into them and they just tasted awesome. And then I did go ahead and put cheese on the very 2 last ones at the end there for Christian. And yeah, he ended up really loving these as well. He's really enjoying eating healthy lately, which is making me so happy. So pop those in the oven, 15 minutes and you're good. Just taking a fork, taking them right out. As long as you sprayed the pan before, nothing will stick and you're good. Literally, that was it. Super easy. I hope you guys will try out these meals. Let me know if you do. So that was everything I prepped for this specific week. Also remember, you guys get to choose one of these products right here completely for free just for watching this meal prep video, and you will get that full month subscription to the Thrive website at no cost. These products right here I already own, and you've seen me like eating these coconut bars and the dark chocolate bars on my Snapchat. I really love them. The apple cider vinegar here, I take 1 tablespoon every morning. So these are just daily like staple products in my and Christian's routine that I thought you guys would like. So choose whichever one you want, click the link below to redeem that. And thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. I would really appreciate if you would subscribe here to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.